Volume relationship set. In our lab, we have certain equipment which will help us understand the relationship between the volumes of different shapes. Let's take some examples for you to understand. First, I'm going to take a cylinder and a cone. The dimensions of this have to be same, that's the only condition. Let's find out the relation between the volume of this cone and the cylinder. Now, for example, let's imagine we are filling this cone with sand or water and we'll start filling it in the cylinder. Now, let's see, I fill it once, it does not become full, right? So I'm going to fill it one more time, it does not become full. Now, third time I'm filling this cone and I'm filling the cylinder. After the third time, this becomes full. So what does this imply? This means that 3 times the volume of this cone is the volume of the cylinder. Or we can also understand it this way, that the volume of this cone is 1/3 of the volume of the cylinder, which is equal to 1/3 into pi r square h. 3 into 1/3 into pi r square h is, you cancel the 3 and 3, so it becomes pi r square h, which is the volume of this cylinder. Therefore, we understand that volume of a cone is 1/3 of the volume of the cylinder. Let's take another example. Now I'm going to take a different shape here. We are going to take a cylinder and a sphere. So here we have a sphere and here we have a cylinder. Now there is some conditions which we have to apply. That is, the radius of this sphere and the cylinder has to be the same. And the height must be equal to the diameter of this sphere. Okay, so these are the conditions which should apply. Now let's see that this sphere, when again we are going to fill in some sand or water and then we'll start filling this cylinder. We actually observe that volume of the sphere is equal to 2/3 of the volume of the cylinder. That is 2/3 into pi r square h. Here h, which is the height, is equal to the diameter or 2 times the radius. So let's write h as 2r. So it will be 2/3 into pi r square into 2r. Again simplified, you will find it that it is 2/3 into pi r cube into 2. Multiply 2 and 2, it becomes 4/3 into pi r cube, which is the volume of the sphere. So we understand that the volume of the sphere is 2/3 of the volume of the cylinder. This way you can use different shapes and find out the relationship between the volume of the shapes.